Rajasthan, where exactly a month after the Pahalgam attack, Prime Minister Modi was in the state and he had one message for Pakistan: mess with India and it will teach you a lesson you will not forget. In a no-holds-barred attack today and a hard-hitting message for the terror state, the Prime Minister gave India's clear and decisive warning to Pakistan that terror will not go unpunished. The April 22nd terror attack, remember, has been avenged, with our forces unleashing hell on Pakistan for 22 minutes that ended in 9 terror dens being reduced to rubble. Prime Minister Modi invoked the Sindoor as he said, "Not blood, but Sindoor boils in my veins."
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, उन्हें मिट्टी में मिलाया है। जो हिंदुस्तान का लहू बहाते थे, जो हिंदुस्तान का लहू बहाते थे, आज कतरे कतरे का हिसाब चुकाया है। जो सोचते थे भारत चुप रहेगा, आज वो घरों में डूब के पड़े हैं। जो अपने हथियारों पर घमंड करते थे, जो अपने हथियारों पर घमंड करते थे, आज वो मलबे के ढेर में दबे हुए हैं। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, ये शोध प्रतिशोध का खेल नहीं, ये शोध प्रतिशोध का खेल नहीं, ये न्याय का नया स्वरूप है। ये न्याय का नया स्वरूप है। ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है। ये सिर्फ आक्रोश नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आक्रोश नहीं है, ये समर्थ भारत का रौद्र रूप है। ये भारत का नया स्वरूप है। मैं देशवासियों से कहता हूं, जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे, उन्हें मिट्टी में मिलाया है।
My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with more on what the Prime Minister said today. Pragya, some very stern, strong words there by the Indian Prime Minister from a location, Rajasthan, which is a very key border area in terms of the India-Pakistan conflict that we saw in the past few weeks. But the Prime Minister, of course, making a very, very bold statement when he said that it is not blood, but it is sindoor that runs through his veins.
Well, you're absolutely right, and everything that Prime Minister does also has a message, and this is why I'm saying that the location chosen by the Prime Minister is very significant. Remember, Bikaner is an area also adjoining Pakistan. The borders touch with the Pakistan also. This is the place where drones and missiles attacks were made. An attempt was made through Pakistan, and in fact it also witnessed blackouts, and people of the particular region has also witnessed what Pakistan was doing on the soil of India, and this is exactly what Prime Minister said. And he also visited this particular airbase. A few miles away from this particular place is also Rahim Yar Khan air base of Pakistan, which was devastated by Indian attack, and this is also a witness of India's defense system and technology. And the message that was given from Bikaner was loud and clear. It was so loud that it must be reverberating in Pakistan, and not just in Pakistan, but to all those nations as well who were siding with Pakistan, and to the world, that India is not going to take down easily when it comes to attack on the innocent civilians. Prime Minister has made it very clear, if even a drop of blood is shed by Pakistan, then Pakistan will have it from India, and India will not buckle down under any kind of pressure, be it nuclear nation or be it pressure from any other party. And this is exactly the reason why we are having Tirangas Yatras in the country, and also an MP delegation has been sent across the nations, in fact across the world, to put across our perspective on the terror that is being sponsored by Pakistan. Prime Minister has made it very clear also that we are not going to have any talk with Pakistan unless until there is total stoppage of terrorism network, which is impossible, and Prime Minister also knows that. And this is exactly the reason why Prime Minister says that not even a drop of water will go to Pakistan from India's share. This is a strong policy that India has not witnessed before Pahalgam attack. In fact, after Pahalgam attack, we are seeing a new face of justice. Prime Minister is calling it a new face, Naya Swaroop Nyay ka.
Yes, absolutely, Pragya. Absolutely, Pragya. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment, of course, explaining what the Prime Minister said today. But viewers, remember, the Prime Minister made it clear that with Operation Sindoor, a new doctrine is in place to deal with terror. And even if the terror emanates from well within Pakistan, India will not sort them.
हर देशवासी ने एकजुट होकर संकल्प लिया था कि आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिला देंगे, उन्हें कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा देंगे। आज आपके आशीर्वाद से, देश की सेना के शौर्य से हम सब उस प्रण पर खरे उतरे हैं। हमारी सरकार ने तीनों सेनाओं को खुली छूट दे दी थी। और तीनों सेनाओं ने मिलकर ऐसा चक्रव्यूह रचा कि पाकिस्तान को घुटने टेकने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया। जो सोचते थे भारत चुप रहेगा, आज वो घरों में डूब के पड़े हैं। जो अपने हथियारों पर घमंड करते थे, जो अपने हथियारों पर घमंड करते थे, आज वो मलबे के ढेर में दबे हुए हैं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंकवाद से निपटने के 3 सूत्र तय कर दिए हैं। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो करारा जवाब मिलेगा। समय हमारी सेनाएं तय करेगी, तरीका भी हमारी सेनाएं तय करेगी और शर्तें भी हमारी होगी। दूसरा, एटम बम की गीदड़ बप्तियों से भारत डरने वाला नहीं है। और तीसरा, हम आतंक के आकाओं और आतंकी सरपरस्त सरकार को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे, उन्हें अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे, उन्हें एक ही मानेंगे।